going to pick up alkenes, okay, and for the alkenes we are going to see if there are isomers in them or no, and we are going to name them as well. So let's start with 4 carbons, okay, C with C and C and C. There are 4 carbons and there is only one double bond in it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 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 Every carbon should be satisfied with 4 valences, okay? So let me rewrite this once again. I'm picking up butene. Butene. Okay, common name is butene. Let us see how many kinds of butene do we find in it. So butene is there with the formula C single bond C single bond C. First of all, when you're writing, you have to write a single bond. Now put a double bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It is C4H8. Okay. I'm drawing another butene, single, 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 and single, a carbon chain, and then a double bond is somewhere in the middle. The hydrogens are satisfied. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? These are hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So these two are isomers. Okay? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the first one? So the rule was saying that you need to count the carbons from the side which is giving least value to the functional group. Here the functional group is this one. So if I start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, when it is between these two carbon, I will consider them on 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is between these two carbons, so I'm considering this one on 2. So what will be the name of the first one? Overall name is butene. I'm separating these two things. So I'll be writing the name for the first one to be but-1-ene.
One, two. Okay.
And for the second one, it will be
Cute. Two.
but-2-ene.
E. Okay.
So but-1-ene.
Then why did you circle both 2 and 3?
What?
You circled 2 and 3 in the second one.
I told you that the double bond is between 2 and 3, but I'll consider the least value for the double bond, as the double bond for me is a homologous a functional group actually.
Okay, sir.
Right? So I'm giving this the least value. So between 2 and 3, least value is 2. Between 1 and 2, the least value is 1. Clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. Is there any other probability for this? Let us see. We have how many carbons do we have? We have
4,
4 carbons and how many hydrogens? Please turn off your mics.
8 hydrogen.
Sir, 8.
Okay. So now is there any other possibility for an isomer? We have 4 carbons and 8 hydrogen. Can we arrange them in a different way? Let us see. Is this a different way? We don't have
Yes.
anything displayed here like this. This is a different one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hydrogens are completed. And how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there. Now let us name it. I am starting the name from the double bond least value 1, 2, and 3. So if I take this to be an alkene, so which alkene is this? This is propene. But a propene having a CH3 group connected to the carbon number 2. Now, if an alkane, keep this in your mind, if an alkane is losing one hydrogen, then the remaining part is called an alkyl group. For example, if methane is losing one hydrogen, the remaining part is CH3. This is methane, and the remaining part is called methyl or methyl. How many hydrogen do you see? 3 hydrogen. So it is CH3. This is a methyl group. Okay. So what will be the name? The name is methyl group is on position number 2. So it is 2 methyl propane.
Propene. Sir, propene, isn't it?
Propene, yes. It is 2 methyl propene. So but 1-ene, but 2-ene, and 2 methyl propene, they are isomers. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. I'm going to pick one more example. Now this time I'm going to take pentene. You know the word pentene? Do you know the word pentene?
Yes, sir.
So pentene, where did you hear this?
Sir, means five carbons in a chain, and ene is there
Where
means
did you
there's a
hear
double
this
bond.
name?
Sir, what?
Pentene name, where did you hear? It was a shampoo,
Shampoo company.
Oh,
right?
yeah, that's
Oh,
Pantene.
That's fine.
that's the pen. Oh,
Yes.
Okay. Pentene is having 5 carbon. Please turn off your mic. Now let us see, can we deal with these 5 carbons? First of all, a straight chain of 5 carbon. There is a double bond between carbon 1 and 2. These are all hydrogens, the line which I am showing. Then C, once again the double bond is shifted. It was between 1 and 2. Now it is between 2 and 3. So 2 and 3, these are hydrogen. The rest are all hydrogens. If I move this double bond to the other side, here, what is the difference? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my counting will start from this side. So it is 2 and 3. So these two are same. Okay?
sir, the
It is
whiteboard
1.
is lagging. Dot.
Clear?
Okay, now. Okay.
Now let us name these. The first one, what was the name? Pentene. Now between pent and ene, I'm going to put 1. Pentanene, I'm going to put 2, and pentanene, I'm going to put 2. So the first one is pent 1-ene. The second one is pent 2-ene. This one is also pent 2-ene. So it's the same thing. So This one and this, they are called the isomers. What are isomers? Isomers are those compounds, different compounds, which are having same molecular formula but different displayed or structural formula. Clear?
Sir.
Can we find
Yes,
some
sir.
other design in them? Let us see now. We have 5 carbons, keep in your mind, and we'll find some other design in those 5 carbon and 10 hydrogens. So let's see. The formula is C5H10. Keep this in your mind. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 carbons now. The double bond is between 1 and 2, and there is a C here also. The C at the end for the alkanes can be written as CH3. Any branch connected, one carbon can be written as CH3. Okay? CH3 is methyl group. Now see, 1, 2, 3, and 4 completed. 1, 2, 3, and 4 completed. 1, 2, 3, and 4 hydrogen completed. 1, 2, 3, and 4 hydrogen completed. Let us name this one. Carbon number 1, 2. The bond is between carbon 1 and 2, and the branch is on position number 2. And what's the name of the branch? Methyl. So it is 2 methyl. And what are the total number of carbons? 1, 2, 3, and 4. But which ene is there? Between 1 and 2 is 1 ene.
Sir, sorry to interrupt, but
Sir, the whiteboard is just stuck.
it's stuck.
It's not
It's
showing.
not.
Okay, now it
It's,
appears.
Yeah, the
it's,
whiteboard
It's
it's
Yeah,
is
coming
showing.
very
just
slowly.
I don't know. There may be a problem in your internet connection. So
Sir, it's coming for
Sir,
everyone.
but everybody it's the
coming
same,
for
sir.
everyone as
It's
well.
coming for everyone.
okay, I don't know. There will be a problem then in the internet connection of the school. But later on, you can watch it. Now you see this. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can we have a different shape? Let us see once again. 1, 2, 3, and 4 carbons. Now I'm shifting the double bond here, and I'm putting the CH3 group, the additional carbon here. All the hydrogens completed. Keep in mind there should be 4 lines on each carbon. So now let us count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. On position 2, we have the double bond also, and we have the methyl group also. Clear? So it is
Yes, sir.
called
Yes, sir.
2 methyl but. Which ene is this?
two.
13.
2 methyl
No,
butene.
So 2 methyl and
2 methene,
Two ene, but
methyl,
butene.
methyl butene.
Clear?
Sir,
Any question?